Hello everyone and welcome on this new midweek analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So let's now begin with our midweek analysis, and as usual, of course, we will start with the EURUSD. So last Saturday, I have sent a signal to sell the EURUSD exactly from 1.096. As you can see, the market just kept falling down without making any pullbacks to retest the level and instantly just continue the fall. That was of course the candle of Monday and Tuesday and currently of course Wednesday. So right now the pair is actually right here on a support level, as you can see, at 1.088. So there is of course a possibility now for a small pullback to happen. However, most likely the pair will surely actually continue the fall. The bearish momentum is just way too stronger than the bullish. However, also we can see right here that we had of course a support number 1, and as you can see later on we had here a small reversal respecting that level, but however eventually the candle of Monday has just simply made a bearish breakout from that level of a support. So now what happened on Tuesday, of course my friends, I am right now on the daily chart. So this is of course daily chart, so each candle represents a whole day. So on Tuesday we have witnessed here a retest of that level as a resistance. That's interesting. So that means that this level is actually being respected as a resistance after being breaking out from that support. Now the current candle of Wednesday also seems like it's going to be bearish as well, and the current price action right here also is promising to continuation of the fall. Why? Because not a single candle in this pattern is actually a sign for the bullish reversal. So all of them actually showing a weakness in the from the bulls, and the sellers are actually right now controlling the market. Now let's move to the 4-hour time frame. Now what we can see right now here on the 4-hour time frame is of course a channel, as we can see, just like that. So now most likely this channel is going to be respected. Since that the market right now is actually on a support level, now we can expect a pullback, and we can expect from the EURUSD to continue the rise again to retest the broken level of a resistance right here exactly at 1.091. That was of course a real level of a resistance as well in the past, as you can see right here. That has always been a real level of a resistance all the way. Even right here it was also a real level of a support. So that tells us that the EURUSD has a good chance to rise again, retesting that level, and afterward it will continue the fall. So let me just make sure here it's accurate, exactly just like that. Fantastic. So we can sell the EURUSD again at 1.091 after it makes a pullback to another 25 pips, and of course we will just keep the same take profit level. However, the safe zone this time is gonna be the same almost. I mean, I just need to 1 second, guys, hold on 1 second. And there it goes, my friends, the signal to sell the EURUSD. The safe zone will actually be ranging for around 46 pips. However, we are still targeting around 101 pips of profit, hopefully. So until then, I think this is going to be a good signal. So that's everything for the EURUSD. Let's now move to the Pound USD. So Pound USD has almost reversed from the given price at 1.311. As you can see, it reversed just like 15 pips far away from the entry at sell level of resistance. However, the market right now seems like it has actually respected this level of resistance right here exactly at 1.309. So what's next with the Pound USD? Actually not much. We are just gonna keep almost the same signal, but however I'm going to adjust my entry to be right here exactly at the highest level of resistance right here at 1.309. And we're just going to edit this one right here to be at 1.309. So this signal seems promising. Pound USD is still seems bearish, especially seeing right here, of course, the real level of resistance trend line, of course, being respected. And by the way, again, my friends, we have already analyzed all of these pairs on the weekly analysis video, and this midweek analysis is just following up for these signals. That's why I'm not really analyzing the market again. I'm just showing you the updates and what we can do next with these signals. As you can see here, of course, we had two resistance trend lines, one major fake breakout, and again another levels of a resistance trend line being respected. So right now we can resell the Pound USD again on the same level of resistance trend line if it's ever going to be respected or actually retested. You know something? Wait a minute. I actually have Actually, after looking again, let me just now move to the 1 hour time frame. I would like to actually even adjust my sell to be right here. That's even better. Why right here? Why did Salah change his mind? Actually, I didn't. I just saw it right now. Right here, of course, we have a bearish breakout candle from this level of a support, and this right here is the nearest level of a real resistance to that bearish breakout candle. So I think selling right here is going to be even better, more achievable. It's going to be after like exactly 21 pips. Yes, that's in my opinion going to be a better entry to sell the pound USD at 1.308. Let me just here edit the save zone to be just like that exactly. And you can even make it smaller, no problem. I mean, because we're actually mainly relying on that level of a resistance trend line. So there is absolutely no need to have that big high save zone. However, let me just make sure to adjust the levels. I don't like, let me just double click here, double click there, and double click here. Sorry guys, now this part is really boring. Of course, our take profit level is gonna be around almost 90 pips against 40 pips of a safe zone. That's everything for the pound USD. Let's now jump to the AUDUSD. AUDUSD almost touched the take profit level and hasn't been activated, but at least went also in the right direction, which is a score to Xtreme Trader. And before we continue, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and please make a comment if you wish to, and share the video, of course. However, now what's next with the AUDUSD? Actually, because it touched the take profit level, we have right now to reanalyze this pair. Now, based on daily chart, we can notice here, of course, a very strong bearish movement. The AUDUSD has just made here a bearish breakout from 0.670, which was, of course, in the past a real level of a support as well. However, this current candle, daily candle on Wednesday, has already retested that level, as we can see, as a new resistance. Also shows a strong bearish momentum, and the AUDUSD will surely continue to fall till it reaches the support at 0.663, and even more than that, it will continue to fall to reach the support right here exactly at 0.659. Why am I saying that? Because that is almost Fibonacci 61.8, as you can see right here. Just make sure it's accurate and correct. Come on, don't play it around. So actually 61.8 is right there, as you can see, and most likely right now, because we have here also a broken level of a support trend line, the market, my friends, has just made here a bearish breakout from that support trend line, and afterward it will continue the fall. So let me just tell you something. The normal behavior of the market, my friends, when it actually has a support trend line being broken out from, of course, that is the support trend line, and right here we have the bearish breakout. Usually what happens is that the market will continue to fall till it reach Fibonacci 61.8, the strong key level of a support, and after that it will start the retest of that broken level of a support trend line to create a new resistance trend line. That's exactly what's happening right now. So a support trend line, the bearish breakout, and the continuation of the fall till it reach 61.8, and after that it might actually rise again to retest the broken level. So the moral of the story is AUDUSD seems bearish, just to make it clear for you, my friends. Now let's now move to the 4-hour time frame. So based on the 4-hour time frame, I would actually recommend to sell the AUDUSD exactly right here at the broken level of a support exactly at 0.670 once the market rise again to retest the broken level of a support. Just now for the confirmation, let's now scroll to the left side to find if there was any strong key level of a resistance on the same level. We have got to see a resistance, and sure enough, check this out. Right here, of course, we have a strong key level of a resistance, which confirms that this level most likely is going to be respected. However, if that happens, we are actually expecting to keep the trade running till it reach the bottom of the support as 0.662, aiming around 70 or actually 80 pips of profit. However, the safe zone shouldn't actually be ranging higher than the previous level of a key resistance right here exactly as 0.674, which ranged for around 40 pips against 81 pips of profit. That's everything, my friends, for the AUDUSD. Let's now move to the USDCAD. So USDCAD has not also been activated, but actually has went Look at that. Come on, guys. Oh, no, it hasn't been activated, sorry. However, it already has hit the take profit level. So now what's next with the USDCAD? So the analysis was correct, at least. It went in the right direction. Now, the USDCAD is at the absolutely highest level of real resistance right here, exactly at 1.379. Now, to be honest with everybody, my style is to not send any signals when the market is actually at the absolutely highest level of a real resistance, because right now we are actually going to be stuck in the game between the bulls and the bears. We don't want that. So therefore, and for the safety of my followers and for their funds, and because we are never gambling here in Xtreme Trader, if I don't trust the signal, I will just simply not gonna send any. I will just wait to see who wins the game. If the bull's gonna win it, then we actually can rebuy the market when it retests the broken level of a resistance right here and respect that level of a support. If the bears win it, I will just wait for the market to continue the fall, then I will sell the retest of the real level of a resistance. Do not get in the middle of the game between the market makers. So USDCAD is better to be skipped for the remaining days of this week, or I actually might send a signal as a deal of the day on this pair. Let's now move to the USDJPY. USDJPY signal has actually been activated from the last week, and so far running in around 93 pips, and total was 162 pips of profit, which was actually really a good signal. Now, what's next with the USDJPY? Now, based on daily chart, what I can see right here is, of course, that the market right now is actually reaching right here a resistance level, exactly at 149.541. Actually, I would like first of all to delete the old signal, because we cannot actually keep it for a long time. I mean, we have the right now to send a new signal. So now, what can we expect next with the USDJPY? Now, some of you might tell me, but how come you are ignoring the USDCAD, but it's okay for you, the USDJPY? Well, the answer is simple, because the direction right here is really clear, and it's obvious, in my opinion, how this pair is going to continue the move. Now, let's just move to the weekly chart. So as we can see right now, the market right now on the weekly chart is also at the absolutely highest level of a real resistance, but it's showing here a reversal signs signs also. Right here, of course, we have here a resistance, also a real level of a resistance, which actually right now being respected, and the current weekly candle shows actually a reversal at the same level of a resistance. So that means that for the remaining days of this week, this candle is going to continue the fall. Not only that, but right here also, this current price action, which is the inverted hammer, also indicates for a possibility for a bearish fall or a bearish reversal. So here we have actually signs tells us that the USDJPY has a chance to continue the fall. So therefore, I would actually like right now to sell the USDJPY instead of buying it. Now, where exactly we can sell it? Exactly right there at the peak of the resistance at 149.543. As you can see right now, what we have right here in general is, of course, a head and shoulders pattern, which indicates also continuation in the fall. Not only that, but if we look carefully right now here, we can see, of course, also a broken level of a support trend line. And right now we can see clearly, this is of course the support trend line, and it has already become right here a resistance trend line. So if the pair will continue the rise, most likely it will be facing that level of a support trend line to create a new resistance trend line. And after that, what is this? Resistance trend line. And after that, the USDJPY will most likely gonna continue the fall toward the support at 147.830. So therefore, selling the USDJPY at 149.543, targeting the real level of a support at 147.860, expecting around 166 pips of profit, hopefully, and the safe zone that shouldn't be ranging higher than the peak of the resistance at 150.117, ranging for around 58 pips only against 170 pips of profit. And that's gonna be everything, my friends, for the USDJPY. Let's now go to the USDCHF. USDCHF is still running in a big profit, actually, so far running in around 65 pips of profit. Of course, that signal has been activated since the beginning of this week, as you can see, 14th of October. So actually, this was from the weekly analysis, and it was indeed a good signal. So I hope you guys have taken it, and I hope you can share in the comments your experience if you have taken it. Let everyone please know the equality of extreme trader signals. What's next now with this USDCHF? Actually, we can rebuy the pair again exactly right here at the broken level of a resistance at 0.860. And as we can see, we have here a very clear level of a real support, number one. So we can just simply rebuy the pair again if it's going to make a retest on the level at the second attempt of the support. As simple as that. I mean, we don't actually need even deeper analysis on it. I mean, this is really clear to me. Even right here, of course, the Fibonacci retracement confirms that this is, of course, Fibonacci 61.8, and the market has just made here a bullish breakout from that level. So most likely it will face a lot of pressure right here on 61.8. I'm not seeing it actually breaking out from it. So far, the momentum seems strong. Daily chart shows also a strong bullish momentum, retesting of the broken level of a resistance. Weekly chart also showing that the market will continue the rise till it reach the resistance right here exactly at 0.867. So everything says that this pair should continue the rise till it reach the resistance after rising to another 67 pips. However, in this case, the safe zone should actually be ranging till the nearest level of a support right here exactly as 0.857, which means the safe zone is going to be ranging for around 33 pips only against 68 pips of profit. And that's going to be everything, my friends, for the midweek analysis, and I really hope it's going to go well. I will see you today in another live trading video, or even maybe tomorrow. And don't forget, of course, to join our free group of Telegram to receive any updates about these signals that you are receiving right here, such as, of course, this update which I have sent yesterday about the gold, which actually has been activated. As you can see, yesterday I have sent a video to buy the gold exactly at 2646, and as you can see, the reversal was just extremely accurate, and the market just kept rising, so far running in around 166 pips. But we have officially closed this signal with 175 pips of profit. However, please make sure to join this free group of channel on Telegram. You can also look it up right here, Extreme Trader Signals, or to make it easier for you, you can just simply open the description below of this video and you will find the link to join directly on Telegram channel for free. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.